After a long day of sightseeing, Baton Rouge is a warm, cozy place to settle down for a leisurely dinner. This export from Montreal is a hot spot for locals and tourists alike. Famous for its slow-cooked ribs and steaks, the restaurant offers a wide selection of stir-fries, salads, seafood and more. Alternately, if you want to indulge in culinary excellence while getting a panoramic view of the city, make reservations well in advance for Canoe, the 54th floor restaurant famously known as the city's, and one of the country's, best for 20 years. If your funds are depleted, fear not. A wide variety of ramen bars, Middle Eastern takeout joints or even the renovated Eaton Centre food court will satisfy you and go easy on your wallet. For example, two can dine at Sansotei Ramen, including a beer, for under $40, tip included.